So check it out. A friend of mine sent me a link to buy these maintenance away vehicles from Menards. They've got M&M's guys on them, so of course I'm a big fan of M&M's. And they were on sale for 25 bucks, and they also came with a circle of track. It's a Menards 036. It looks a lot like the old Lionel O-scale. Looks pretty heavy. I've never used any Menards stuff, but anyway, I got these today, and so I got they're battery operated. One of them has a remote to it. It goes forward and backwards. That would be the van here. And then this one just goes forward, and it's got lights in it. And so I thought I'd take them for a spin. You can check them out here. Let's turn on this one first. See the little lights there and the light in the back. And here he goes. Give him a little head start, because the van goes a lot faster, and the van also goes backwards, has backup lights, and then forward, the headlights. It only goes one speed, so you can't really do much about that. Back it up a little bit. Keep letting the little red vehicle get a head start. Got the van right there. So that's kind of cool. It's a neat little thing. I have a show coming up at Eldridge Park, so I think the kids will get a kick out of it, and I can just set up a circle of track or something. Got to make sure I can grab my little red vehicle. The van takes 3 AAAs, and the little red car takes 1 AA, and there's 2 AA batteries that go into the remote. So you can check it out. I don't know if they're still on sale, but I got them, like I said, for $25. I was surprised that it did come with a circle of track as well. So anyway, thanks again for watching. God bless. Never forget, Jesus is Lord.